Hello guys, here we are doing 2016 May.June paper 2-1 summer paper. It's practical paper 2, and in this we have documentation, data manipulation, that is access means it's a database part, and the third one is presentation. These three topics are in this paper 2-1. Variation is 2-1 and 2-2, that's 21-22. Paper is 2. So paper 2 contains three topics: documentation, databases, that's called data manipulation, and presentation, that's PPT. You first will do this MS Word part. You work for a company called Tawara Adventures. You are going to perform some clerical tasks for this company. Task 1, about the evidence. Open the file J216 evidence.rtf. So we have to go to our folder. This is one you have to open. Okay. Make sure that your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of this document. Save this evidence document in your work area as evidence, and then we have to add some candidate number. You will need this evidence document to store screenshots of the evidence you're instructed to produce. So here they did not tell us where we have to mention these are details. So let's take it on in the footer. In the header. Okay, so insert header of three columns. So here we can write name, this is center number, then candidate number, okay, here also we are getting the same in the top. Next, and we have to save it as well. It's saying let's save it as a Word document. Okay, we have to save this, a file, save as. We have to save in our folder as well, in the same folder. Okay, but as a Word 972003 document, and we have to add candidate number along with the name there. Save. Okay, so this is done. This whole task 1 is done. 2, we are going to edit a newsletter for Tawara Adventures. The company uses a corporate house style for all their documents. Paragraph styles should be created and applied as instructed. All imported data should have the news body text style applied unless otherwise instructed. They are going to give us some corporate styles that we are going to create ourselves, and for all the text, all imported data should have this only style unless and until it is said for other stuff. So using any suitable, we have to import J216 news draft. This we have to open from our folder news draft. This is one. Double click. Yeah, this is the one. And now here, set page A4 orientation to portrait, top and bottom margins 2.5 and left and right is 1.5. So here it's a page setting, total page setting, A4 and portrait. Here layout, size, A4 and orientation, portrait. Now when it comes to margins, it is said when it comes to margins, top and bottom margins to 2.5 centimeters, left and right margins to 1.5 centimeters. Okay, so under layout, margins, custom margins, here 2.5 cm we have to type in. Okay, 2.5 cm, even this also 2.5 cm, and the other left and right is 1.5 cm, and other one 1.5 cm. Okay, done. Okay, just highlight it. Evidence 1, we have to take a screenshot to show the page size. Okay, we'll take a page size. Just open under layout, open size. Here it's selected, A4 is selected page size. Okay, leaving it open, we have to take a screenshot. You can show like this as well, how much you want, and even showing the document title as well. We can just copy this and go to evidence, and we have to place as a first screenshot here under first evidence 1. Okay, now evidence 2, take a screenshot showing the margin settings as well. Okay, let's take margin settings. Open margins, custom margins. This is the one, already we said this for this page document. Just keep it in a place where you can take easily the screenshot. You can press print screen button on your keyboard and just crop how much you need using light shot. Copy. Then my evidence, where is the evidence? We have to close this. Okay, fine. Second evidence it is. Okay, evidence 2. Just save it. Now let's go to the question paper. Save the document in your work area with a file name newsletter, just newsletter. Make sure it is saved in the format of MS Word. Okay, now here they are telling us to save this only news. What is the name? What's the name? Newsletter. We have to save it as a now newsletter. Here we have to save in the same folder. News draft, right? News draft. We have to change to news letter, and it should be in Word 97-2003 document. Okay, save. You can see on the top the name is where the cursor is here. Next, evidence showing the screenshot to show this file is being saved. Make sure there is evidence of the file type as well. Okay, for that what we have to do is we have to go to our folder here. Fine, and where is newsletter? This is the newsletter, and see here MS Word document. Just open this clearly. They want to see that this is saved in our folder. Fine, so for that what I'll do, just take a screenshot of it. Print screen. So here I'll show my folder, and again I will just highlight it just by taking a square. This is what I saved. Fine, I can even show with this like this. Fine. Now let's save it. Copy this, go to evidence, and where we have to saved file here. Okay, now question, this all done. Place in the footer your name, center number and candidate number, left aligned, automated page number, right aligned. Okay, go to the footer. Here left align, right align, two are there. Place in the place in the header it is, sorry. So on the top, and our name should go to the left and the automated file number to right. Okay, let me go to header. Now here I have to enter the name, center number, then candidate number. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now I have to just click on the extreme right and I have to insert page number. Yes, now go to quick paths field. Here page number, page, just take page. Okay, just take page, select page, and format, no, we can just select any one like this and preserve formatting during updates. Okay, 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 one, and here you can see automatically it's the numbers are given, and third one will go to third will be the third page. Okay, next, place in the footer the automated file name and path center aligned. Okay, go to the footer here, and that will be it's a center aligned. Even you can go for a center, it's a footer center you can take exactly if you want the center. We can delete this. Okay, we can delete this and come here. So here select that, type here, then go to quick paths field, go to file name, file name is here. If you want uppercase, lowercase, and automatically whatever the case, title case, it will come. So if you leave it, the normal setting will come. So but important stuff is this field options, add path to file name, then okay, this is the one, it's done. Make sure that all the alignments match the page margins. No text, other text is included in the header and footer area. Headers and footers are displayed on all pages. Question number 4. Create the following paragraph styles. House style specifications. Now news title we are going to create. Just select and copy this. We have to go to now. Make sure one thing, that keep the cursor out of any text at the bottom of the page. Just click here. Let the cursor blink out of all the text somewhere at the bottom on the free space on the document. Okay, this is very important point. Make sure the cursor is blinking somewhere out of the text on the free space in the document. Now here in the style group, click down arrow, create style. Now what I copied, paste it here. First one, modify. Again we have to go to question paper. We have to now set everyone sans serif 26 center alignment. Here sans serif Microsoft as it is. Microsoft sans serif, it's 26, and center aligned, bold single, enhancement is bold, line spacing is single, here B, and this is automatically selected single spacing. Here space before and space after in points. So for that we have to go to format, paragraph. Here spacing and the paragraph spacing before 0 points and after 0 points, it's already there. Okay, and okay, this is done. We can see one new style appeared over there, news title. Now in the same way we'll go for the next style as well, news subtitle. Copy, create a style, paste it, modify. Now let's see its style, sans serif 16 right. Again, yeah, it's already there, sans serif, it should be now 16, and right align, this is right. Okay, this is right. Italic single 00, so it should be italic and single spacing, and before and after 00, that's already there, spacing before after 00. Okay, second one, say you got here. Now, well, in the same way we'll go for the third one, news subheading. Copy, click this down arrow, create a style, paste what you brought, modify. Now let me see more. Sans serif 16 center, sans serif already there, 16 already there, and center now, center, this is center. Bold underline single, bold and underline, no italics, and it's a single. 0 and 12 here, space after is 12. Go to format, paragraph, after is 12, just keep PT same, just type in 12 over there, and before is 0. Okay, done. See, always this cursor should blink out of the text. Make sure there's always a, yeah, we got another heading, new style. Now we have to do more. News body. Copy this, news body. Now create style, place. Oh, sorry, it's not copied. News news body, modify. Serif 12 justified. Serif, so we don't have serif, simple serif, just we can take Microsoft sans serif, and this should be 12. Justified, enhancement none. Justified, this is called justified. Okay, no enhancement. Okay, not at all. And single 0 12, single spacing, and here space before after, it's 12. Okay, fine, done. Another one we got, and the last one is news table. Copy, open this down arrow, create a style, paste. Serif 12 left, serif 12, and this is now left. Non single, yeah, it's nothing, single 00. Here we have a paragraph, here it should be 0. Okay, okay, now we got, say, 5 we created styles, done. Paste in your evidence document screenshot. Show all the settings for the news subheading style. Okay, news subheading style. This is the one, right? All. Else we can just show like this as well. We can show everything. Okay, we can take a screenshot, copy, and where we have to paste. Now this is okay, this is also okay. Let me open the question paper where we have to place. It's a fourth one. Okay, this is a fourth one here. Okay, save. Done. At the start of the document, enter the title. Copy. Now go to the top and click in front of W, press enter, and then click above. Now paste what you brought from the question paper, Control V. Now next, apply the news title style to this text. Okay, select it. Just now we created some style, news title. So these are created by us, our own styles are this. Fine, select. Okay, apply the news title style to this. Okay, this is done. Below the title, add the subtitle. First draft by. Okay, fine. Till here I can copy. Under this, now again click in front of W, press enter, and then up arrow. Now paste what you brought from there. Now our name. Fine. Okay. Now what else in the question? Apply news subtitle style to this. Okay. Select news subtitle. This one. Okay, these two are done. Apply the news body style to the rest of the document. News body style. Okay, rest of the document means from the beginning till down. Okay, till here. Now, news body. This one. Next. Change the page layout so that all the text after the first paragraph is in 2 columns of equal width with 1.5 centimeters spacing. From here, select the whole text. Okay, now go to layout, columns, more columns, 2, and spacing is 1.5 cm. Fine. Save. Identify 7 subheadings in the document and apply news heading subheading style to each one of them. Okay, 10 is done. There are 7 subheadings. Here is the one, news subheading. Where is home news subheading? This one. Okay, and news subheading. Next, another one. Third one is this. Okay. Fourth one. No, this is another one. Here is the other one. 4, 5, 6, and 7 we got. Okay. Open the file J216 newsports.csv and insert the contents of as a table within the column width after the text. Activities to our centers. Okay, let's copy this. Where is it in the document? We have to find it first. Let me copy this. Now go to the document. Where is that? Find is there. Okay, just in the navigation, place the text. Yeah, here it is. After this, so place the cursor. Okay, place the cursor after this. I'm going to do that. Now it's close this. We have to go to our folder. What is the file name we have to open? J216 New Sports. Okay, New Sports. Here, select, right click, open with Excel. Yeah, this is the table. We have to place it in the document. Let all the values visible, even the headings. Now let's select it, copy. Now let's go to the document and where the cursor is blinking, paste it. Next, delete the third column with the heading rating. Okay, third column rating, this one. Okay, they don't want this column. Fine, select the whole column, go to layout, delete column. Gone from here, you see. Yes, only 3 columns we have. Okay, this 2 is all done till 13. Make sure that the news table style is applied to columns 2 and 3. Okay, let me apply 2 and 3. Only this 2 and 3 they want news table. Where is the news table? News table. This is the one, news table. Okay, select. Save the work. Text in column 2 and 3 displays on single line, that's in one line. All borders and grid lines are displayed when printed. Okay, we'll add borders to it. First, let's add borders to it. It will be clear. Lot of stuff. Okay, now we can adjust to have on single line this text. See here, we got in 2 lines. Only this one and this one as well. See, this one also. So let's adjust to fit in the column as well, and also we want the single line. Okay, this is all single line now. And it got a grid lines. Now what else? Format the table so that the left column looks like this. They want the text of the first column like this. Okay. So first we have to merge this fully. Okay, so go to layout, here merge. Okay, now text direction, here in the center. Yes. See there the styles. Here how they wanted news activities. The size is very big. Okay, here then here you see this way it'll come. Yeah, like this. Right click here, go to text direction. We can just adjust it to fit in the column, matching the column's width. Save. Yeah, that's all done. Import the image G216 cabin.jpg and place this below the subheading accommodation. Okay, where's accommodation? Yeah, after here click under accommodation before this S. Now go to insert pictures and J216 cabin. See under our folder in which we are working to one paper. Yes, good. 2016 to one paper. Until that we have this J216 cabin. Insert. Okay, now next. This we inserted. Okay, now reflect the image so that the tree is on the right of this, like this. Fine. Here you see the tree is on the left. Now we have to make it right. Select, go to arrange part here under this rotate. Yeah, see different it's turning around here. This is one we need. Select. See the trees right now. These two are done. Resize the image so that it is 4 centimeters wide. Aspect ratio is maintained. Okay, select the image. Only width is 4 centimeters. Width 4 cm. Okay, 4 cm. And we have to maintain the aspect ratio. See under size. Click in the corner. You see the aspect ratio at the bottom. Lock aspect ratio. Okay. Save. Align the image to the top of the paragraph starting self-catering accommodation. Right margin within the column. Okay, we have to adjust that image. Here you see how it should be. They want the image to look like this. Okay, this is the heading of the paragraph, and the image should be towards the right, extreme right, within the column width. Okay, now select the image, right click, format auto shape. Now go to layout. You can select tight. Okay, to right as well, towards right. See. exactly it's fitting. Fine. Is it perfect now? Okay. Done. This is done fully. Question number 18. Change the list from free Wi-Fi to climbing wall to a bulleted list with square bullets. Okay, where is that? Here it is. Select all the list items, go to bullets, and they want the square. This. Make sure the bullets are positioned 2.5 centimeters from the left margin. Okay, keep selected the list and go to under this paragraph. Here indentation from left 2.5 centimeters, 2.5 cm. Yeah, it's fine. Now the list is in single line spacing with a no space before or after. Okay, here keep selected. Now under paragraph, here we have single line selection only. Single line selection, right? Single line spacing, yeah. Fine. Next. Save the document. Okay. Done. Everything is done. This is another one. Okay, let's save the document. Okay, we can see that full document, how it looks. Is it exactly what it is said in the image? This one. Yes. And you see here how it is appearing from the top. We have, yeah. Done.